and welcome to Healthy Kitchen 101. My name is Anh Ngo and today I'm unboxing the Elite Gourmet Compact Slow Juicer. It is a vertical juicer, so it's really small. It's BPA free. The model is EJX600. Okay, I'm gonna open the box and see what's inside. So these are the juice container, plastic pulp container, and okay, so this is the feed tube and the drum. Pusher, and this is the main body part. It's this is the auger and the spout with a lid. Oh, how do you remove the auger? Okay, so this is the very tiny little auger. So now I'm going to put it together and we'll run it through a trial test to see if it works. This tiny little thing. Okay, now this auger, I wonder if it can really do anything. And the assembly, so the strainer is incorporated into this assembly. Lock it in, switch, run, and reverse. Start with some celery. Oh, it needs a little violence. It's actually more powerful than I thought. As small as the auger is, it manages to crush everything. Doesn't look very stable. This is moving. So this is a thick piece of carrot. Let's see if it can handle it. Wow, I'm impressed, but I think it needs a cover here. And now the apples. I'm definitely impressed. It's stronger than it looks, for sure. Here's a rather large piece. Whoops. Wow. This is amazing. Okay, look at the pulp. It's quite dry. for such a small juicer. And here's the juice. There's some foam, yes, but like this is quite a lot of juice for the amount of pulp, you know, for the amount of ingredient. And I'll see how it tastes. The juice is smooth. It's not very pulpy, and it tastes like carrot and celery and apples, yeah. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like my content, subscribe to our channel and share the video. Thank you.